Hello friends! Today we are going to draw Happy Baby Bluey, cute and fun. First, draw the eyes. Then the nose and mouth. Add the teeth. And another eye. Don't forget the two eyebrows. Then shape the face. Draw the ears. Diaper. And legs. Add the patterns around the eyes. Now it's coloring time with yellow. Red. Black. Blue. Light blue. Light gray. Dark gray. Orange. Light gray again. And finally red. Wow, our drawing is done! You did amazing! Thanks for drawing and coloring with us! Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this channel, so you won't miss the next drawing video. Thank you so much, friends! See you next time! Bye-bye!